Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will go over the top 5 everyday foods that cause cancer. 1. Sugar, the number one fuel for cancer cells. Sugar is everywhere in our diet, from breakfast cereals to coffee creamers, and even hidden in foods like sauces and bread. But did you know that cancer cells are obsessed with sugar? Unlike healthy cells, which can use fats, proteins, and carbs for energy, cancer cells rely almost exclusively on glucose. This makes sugar one of the worst foods for people looking to reduce their cancer risk. But it's not just about sugar itself. There's another big problem. Eating sugar spikes insulin levels, and insulin doesn't just regulate blood sugar. It also acts as a powerful growth factor for cancer cells. Studies show that people with insulin resistance, obesity, or diabetes have a significantly higher risk of cancers like breast, colon, and pancreatic cancer. A large-scale study published in The Lancet even found that obese individuals are up to 50% more likely to develop cancer than those at a healthy weight. 2. Refined carbohydrates, the hidden sugar source. Refined carbs, like white bread, pasta, and processed snacks, may not taste sweet, but they act just like sugar in the body. When you eat them, they break down quickly into glucose, causing blood sugar and insulin to spike. Exactly what cancer cells love. Eating too many refined carbs can lead to insulin resistance, meaning your body needs more and more insulin to keep blood sugar levels under control. This constant insulin overload creates the perfect environment for cancer to thrive. 3. High glycemic foods, fast-track fuel for cancer cells. High glycemic foods like white bread, sugary cereals, pastries, and processed snacks cause rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin, which in turn feed cancer cells and encourage their growth. Every time you eat these foods, you're not just raising blood sugar, you're also sending growth signals to cancer cells telling them to multiply. Breast cancer cells, for example, have 5 to 6 times more insulin receptors than normal cells. That means they're extra sensitive to sugar and insulin. 4. Processed meats, a hidden cancer risk. Not all protein is created equal. There's a huge difference between fresh, high-quality meats and processed meats like sausages, bacon, and deli cuts. The problem? Processed meats contain harmful additives like nitrates, which have been linked to an increased risk of colon and stomach cancer. When these chemicals interact with heat, like during grilling or frying, they can form carcinogenic compounds that damage cells and DNA. In fact, the World Health Organization, WHO, classifies processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning there's strong evidence that they cause cancer. Just 50 grams of processed meat a day, which is about 2 slices of bacon, can increase the risk of colorectal cancer by 18%. 5. Processed fats. Inflammatory and dangerous. Not all fats are bad, but highly processed vegetable oils, like soybean oil, corn oil, and canola oil, are packed with omega-6 fatty acids, which trigger inflammation. Chronic inflammation creates the perfect environment for cancer cells to grow and spread. Another issue with these oils? They oxidize easily, producing harmful free radicals that can damage DNA and increase cancer risk. What's a better choice? Stick to healthy fats like olive oil, coconut oil, and avocados. These provide essential nutrients without promoting inflammation. While diet alone isn't a substitute for medical treatment, the food choices you make can play a huge role in lowering cancer risk. By cutting back on sugar, refined carbs, high glycemic foods, processed meats, and unhealthy fats, you're giving your body the best possible defense against cancer. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future health tips. Let us know in the comments, which of these foods surprised you the most? Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.